Whisper, you think Tony would have gone down a Red's yard?
It's not impossible, you know. But I don't think she would have do that.
So she could have gone and not answer her phone.
Bossy, I there try to figure it out.
You pass back around at the shop?
Yeah, but the shop locked. You look like not even Kareem there neither.
Well, I forgot down her Reds and see if she there. I'm not playing a joke with Tony.
Bossy, I hear what you're saying now, but why if it's more serious than that? Why if we go down a Reds and she's not down there? What we are going to do?
I don't even want to think about that, Whisper. Grab your shoes. We are going down a Reds. Who that?
Yo, man, get something for a drink, you know. You understand? I want them.
Yeah, we don't have one liquor something and mash up already.
Yeah, no worries. What's up? Man, I got a shop, uncle.
Yeah, man, we're there. Red man. Roll in, man.
One go me general, man.
Yo, King, man. Yo, something else for my mind, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Godmother wedding.
Me think I let me alone.
Gotta see what I go on. But tell me, you really think about it?
I see it as a total disrespect and a farce from the lack of decoration of the place to the preacher to the Chinese woman and her dress code and her funeral parlor behavior. And I don't understand why my little daughter don't see it.
King, man. A long time I talk to Godmother, you know. So that pastor, they shady. You understand me, I did?
See.
But she showed me every time I mention Ray. So you know what I do? I'm not gonna say nothing. But slower, make sure do share. They say the phone call when we get in the church.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
I mean, Tonya.
Tony, we heard it from yesterday. Somebody follow you come here?
Bubbles. What me do?
Tony, who the outside?
It's our Uber driver. Somebody have my money?
Well, if I tell you the truth, brother, I don't see one thing, if from the start to the finish, where I could have looked on and give some credit to. The whole thing looks shaky. And I learned a long time ago that it's not all that glitters is gold.